Good morning students. Today we will study J.J. Thomson model of an atom. J.J. Thomson model of an atom. According to J.J. Thomson, atom is like a sphere. Okay, according to J.J. Thomson, atom is like a sphere in which 40 charge uniformly distribute. In which 40 charge uniformly distribute and negative charge electrons are embedded in it. Negative charge electron are embedded or studied in it. तो ये क्या है बच्चों? नेगेटिव चार्ज इलेक्ट्रॉन, और जो ये पोर्शन है ये कौन सा हो गया? पॉजिटिव चार्ज, और ये क्या हो गया भाई? एटम। ठीक है ना, ये हो गया। तो वी विल लर्न द 3 पॉइंट्स फ्रॉम द J.J. Thomson model. First, atom is a like a sphere. Second point, the positive charge is uniformly distributed through the atom. And third point, negative charge particles, that is electron, are embedded or studied in it. This model is also known as Christmas pudding model. This model is also known as Christmas pudding model, and other name is also watermelon model. Watermelon model. Why this name is also given to this model, watermelon model? Because like a watermelon atom is like a sphere, like watermelon atom is also sphere, and the red portion is positive charge, and the seeds of the watermelon is like a electron. So therefore, J.J. Thomson model is also known as watermelon model. Now, the main feature of this model is atom is a electrical neutral. Atom क्या है भाई? Electrical neutral. Why atom is electrical neutral? Because negative charge electrons and positive charge proton are present in equal in magnitude. Number of electron and proton are equal in magnitude, so therefore they both are cancelled, negative and positive, therefore atom is a neutral. Now lastly we will study the limitation of this model. Okay bachcho, now we will study limitation of the J.J. Thomson model. The major limitation of this model is that it is purely theoretical model, no experimental proof. Purely theoretical model, no experimental proof. Therefore, this model is discarded or failed.